Light travels at 1.86 times 10 to the fifth power miles per second. Calculate how far it travels in a minute, given your answer in scientific notation or standard form. Now here, it tells us that light travels at 1.86 times 10 to the fifth miles per second. That means in 1 second, light travels 1.86 times 10 to the fifth miles. And so that's how far light will travel in 1 second. But we need to figure out how far light travels in 1 minute. Now, 1 minute is 60 seconds. And so in order to figure out how far light travels in 1 minute, we're going to take how far light travels in 1 second, which is 1.86 times 10 to the 5 miles per second. Since it travels 1.86 times 10 to the 5 miles in 1 second, if we're trying to figure out how far it travels in 1 minute, we're just going to multiply how far it travels in 1 second by 60, because 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. And so we have 60 multiplied by 1.86 times 10 to the 5. And what we're going to do here is we're going to multiply this number and the decimal. And so we have 60 times 1.86, which gives us 111.6 times 10 to the 5th, because we bring this down. Now, this is not in scientific notation as yet, because this number is way too big. This number is 111.6, but this number needs to be a number, a real number from 1 to 10, but not including 10. But this number far exceeds 10, all right? And so what we have to do is we have to make this number smaller. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna move over. So with the decimal point is right here, we're gonna move over to the left twice. So there's gonna be 1, 2. And so what we have here is 1.116 times 10 to the power of positive 2. And the reason why it's positive 2 is because we moved over 2 times to the left, all right? And so we have 1.116 times 10 to the power of 2 times 10 to the fifth power. Next, what we have to do is we have to multiply these two terms. Now, these two terms have the same base, which is 10. And whenever you're multiplying two terms that have the same base and you're multiplying them, you have to add the powers. And so we have here is 1.116 times 10 to the power of 2 plus 5. And 2 plus 5 is definitely 7. And so we have 1.116 times 10 to the power of 7. And this is our answer to this question in scientific notation or standard form.